Watch out for these two latest email scams, especially if you've got Facebook or use an Apple product. I'm the CyberGuy, and first I want to warn those on Facebook of the latest phishing scam targeting inboxes. Here's how the scam goes. You'll receive an email that warns you you're in Facebook jail, or a note from Facebook saying that your account has been suspended or disabled. And if you don't act now, your account will be permanently deleted in 24 hours. Now, if you click that link to save your account, it'll likely look like Facebook's homepage asking you to log in. Upon closer inspection, though, you may realize it is a fake. Don't click any links in your email and don't log in to any website except for when you yourself have typed in facebook.com on a browser. Another similar scam going around is a phishing email claiming that the victim's Apple ID was locked because of suspicious activity or multiple sign-in attempts. The email will prompt you to verify your account. However, you should not click that link. You'll end up giving your Apple ID over to the hackers, and they'll now have access to many of your accounts, plus your Apple Pay and more. My bonus tip, install trusted antivirus software. I've rated my top ones for the year at cyberguy.com. Just search antivirus. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.